Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 35 and I have collected all these vocabulary facts and figures from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, an opinion was published in Dawn. Shahzeb Khan murder by Shahrukh Jatoi. This case was in limelight in media outlets as well as in multiple newspapers and magazines. Uh, Khani drama was also documented on this special case. So all these vocabulary I have collected from that special opinion. So the first one is confessed. So its meaning is etiraf karna. So profess, admit, agree, concede, and to own something or someone. So confessed normally used in courts to profess his or her crime or guilt. Next one, idiocy. So extreme stupidity, bewakufi. Next one, insurrectionist. So its meaning is insurgents, rebellion, mutiny, which was took place in subcontinent 1857. So in British called it mutiny, but Muslims as well as Indians called it insurrectionist, revolt, freedom fighter, just like the people of occupied Kashmir are fighting against Indian armed forces. Next one, distension. So its meaning is swelling, distend, expand. Next one, glotted. So enjoy greatly, enjoy a greatly triumph. Next one, nihilism. So nihilism, belief in nothing, just like atheist. Those people have no belief on God as well as on heaven and hell. So such people are called nihilist, and the phenomena is called nihilism. Next one, unenviable. So its meaning is embarrassing, awkward, not desirable or pleasant. Next one, serpent off. So its meaning is to take and use money for your own purpose for which it was not intended. Most of the time, public money or public funds are issued for the welfare of public, but most of the politicians or bureaucrats use it for their vested interests. So this scenario is called serpent off. Next one, unscrupulous. So its meaning is immoral, unethical, unprincipled. Next one, peasantry, kisan, zamindar. So a person who is not educated and have low social status. Next one, extortionate. The crime of getting money from someone by use of force or threats. So it's commonly practiced nowadays in Sindh, Pakistan, and the people in Kacha, a special territory on the side of Indus River. So these people are these burglars are involved in extortionate because they are getting money and resources from people by force. So this is called extortionate. Next one, satraps. So a supporter who perform unpleasant task for a powerful person. Next one, abject. So the meaning of abject is lacking courage or strength, something which are is extremely bad or severe. But abject poverty, abject condition, mostly used for those people which having paucity of strength or morality or confidence. Next one, incentive. So the meaning of incentive is boost, encouragement, stimulus. Mundane. So mundane normally used for world affairs or worldly affair or something which is dull, ordinary, a routine, everyday task. Next one, limelight. So a focus of public attention, something which are in limelight, just like in Pakistan. Babar Azam is most of the time in limelight when there is a PSL or World Cup. So limelight. Next one, flurry. So a brief period of excitement or activity, halchal. Next one, litigants, muddy. So someone involved in a litigation, someone who is involved in litigation in court cases. Next one, lawsuit. So mukaddimat. So a case before a court, just like the cases of Imran Khan are in lawsuit in Supreme Court of Pakistan, Islamabad High Court, and other courts. Now veto. So veto that blocks a decision. So in contemporary time, uh, most of the time a resolution was passed in Security Council, but that was vetoed by United States in favor of Israel. Next one, kal. So the meaning of kal is to remove something that has been rejected. Another meaning of kal is to kill, to slaughter. And next one, pretense. Pretense, the act of giving a false appearance. Uh, the Indian armed forces are using the term pretense in the name of development, in the name of tourism, and in the name of human development in occupied Kashmir. But in reality, they are killing the people of occupied Kashmir, those people who wants independence from the clutches of India. So India is actually using a pretense or a false appearance, सब कुछ अच्छा है, but in reality, the people of occupied Kashmir are not on board. And the last one is inroad, so an encroachment or intrusion. So it's all for today. At the end, I will suggest a famous book, uh, Power of Positive Thinking, Musbat Soch Ke Samrat, which was written by G.D. Buddhi Raja, and it was translated by Masood Mufti. But this book, when I uh, studied it, so I found it very knowledgeful. To be honest, it changed my perception because every topic the author has written well and up to the point. So this is a famous book, and it is commonly read by most of the students. So I will also suggest to all my students, to all my subscribers, that read this book and be enlightened. So thank you and best of luck. May the God watch over you.